Hello everybody, thank you for watching. My name is Damien, and in this video I am going to show you the details and ways to get into Project Escapism. It is a 3D based zombie, first person and isometric style zombie Project Zomboid-like game. What will happen in this game is you can start in isometric mode and switch to first person mode if you so choose. So what we have going on here is the game is posted on GitHub Pages, which doesn't have a live server backend. So everything's loaded into your cache and running natively almost in your browser. We can have up to 2,000 zombies at a time. I'm going to call that number because it's just getting unhinged and too difficult to play. So what I have is go into my website, Ordinary Technology, via the links that I'm going to expose to you guys. Click on Main Sim inside of the Tentacle OS shell. Go to Project Escapism Beta, and then here you are. You're inside of the game. So all you really have to do is survive right now. I'm going to add Easter eggs, I'm going to add cool unlockables, different levels, and different maps soon. It will all run in your browser. We updated a lot of the guns. There is no models being loaded in this game. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.